Let me ask you this: who's in control of your mind right now? You or your fears? Because if you don't master your mind, the world will. And guess what? The world is not designed to make you successful, it's designed to keep you average. If you're constantly battling fear, doubt, and negativity, this video is your wake-up call. We're not here to motivate, we're here to reprogram. This is how you brainwash yourself for success and destroy negative thinking forever. Let's go. Your thoughts aren't random, they're habits, and most people are stuck in a loop of disempowering self-talk. I'm not good enough. I always mess up. It's too late for me. Sound familiar? That's not truth, that's conditioning. To rewire your mind, you've got to become aware of what you're saying to yourself every moment. Then start replacing those thoughts with empowering, identity-based statements. I am capable. I am relentless. I am born for more. Say them. Repeat them, own them, because what you say repeatedly becomes what you believe, and what you believe becomes who you are. Your brain is a search engine. It answers whatever question you feed it. Ask garbage questions like, why can't I ever win? And you'll get garbage answers. But ask, what can I learn from this? Or what's my next power move? And your brain will find new solutions. Success starts with asking better questions, not why me, but how can I grow from this? Not what if I fail, but what if I fly? Change your questions, change your focus. Change your focus, change your life. Champions don't wait to feel ready. They condition their minds every day. Repetition is how you install new beliefs. Say it, see it, feel it, live it, over and over again. And visualization, that's how you train your brain for success before it happens. Olympians do it, Navy SEALs do it, world-class entrepreneurs do it. They see the win, they feel the win, and then they create the win. So take 5 minutes a day, close your eyes and experience your future self, confident, unstoppable, thriving. Repetition and vision create your new mental reality. Your brain is being programmed 24/7. The only question is by who? If you're feeding your mind junk all day, negativity, gossip, fear, you're creating an environment of failure. Audit your input, cut the noise, stop listening to people who drain you. Start surrounding yourself with voices that build you. And your physical space, make it a reflection of your goals. Declutter it, energize it, own it. Your environment must inspire your evolution, not your excuses. We do everything based on pain and pleasure. But most of you are linking pleasure to bad habits and pain to growth. That's backwards. You need to feel disgusted by negative self-talk, feel suffocated by your old excuses, link massive pain to staying the same. Then flip the switch, link massive pleasure to your habits of greatness, love the grind, celebrate the small wins, feel proud when you show up strong. This emotional association is the fuel that keeps your mind locked in and your behavior aligned. You can't think your way out of a negative state. You have to move your way out, stand tall, breathe deep. Move like a person who believes. Jump, shout, smile, command your energy. Your body is the gateway to your mind. Shift your motion, shift your emotion. Do this daily and watch how fast your confidence, focus, and power expand. You don't need motivation, you need activation. Listen to me. Everything you need to reprogram your mind for success is already inside of you, but it won't activate until you decide that enough is enough. Enough negativity, enough fear, enough playing small. Today is the day you take your mind back. Today is the day you brainwash yourself for greatness. Not someday, now.